Hi folks, welcome to the channel again. If you're new here, my name's Taran. A question I'm often asked by people is how can I smoke food properly on a kettle barbecue? And in this example I'm talking about hot smoking, and the kettle barbecue I'm using is a Weber kettle barbecue, but any kettle barbecue with a lid would work. Let me show you how I do it.
And for absolute clarity, I'm not doing any cooking in this, I'm just purely showing you the setup. The first thing I need to do is to remove the lid. Remove the cooking grill to reveal the charcoal grate. Now I'm only going to be using half a load of charcoal when using this as a hot smoker, and to ensure the charcoal stays over one side of the grate I use a standard divider that comes with the barbecue. This is quite simple to fit. Just locate the prongs of the divider so that they sit on one side of the bars on the grate. The divider then simply clips into position and keeps all your coals on one side. In goes our charcoal. I'm using a foil packet smoke generator in this example, but you can use oak chunks or any other hardwood chunks of wood on this method. On goes the grill plate. And directly above where the coals are, we are putting a pan of water. This is to raise the humidity in the smoker and allow the food sitting next to it to be bathed in moist, hot smoke. To control the temperature once the lid goes on, we have a vent at the top and a vent on the base. And these can be adjusted to adjust the heat within the smoker and the rate at which heat is produced, giving us a nice opportunity to control the whole combustion process.
Well folks, I hope you liked the video. If you found it interesting, please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, happy smoking, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.